I really like this Bissell vacuum because it's lightweight, it has excellent suction power, and it can stand up on its own, which is a really nice feature. You can see here that the suction power is really good. The front lights are bright enough so you can see dust and debris in lower lighting. The Bissell has two power settings, a max and a min. The min is better for hard floors, and the max is better for carpets. Here you can see the Bissell cleaning up coffee grounds on carpet on the max setting. The Bissell comes apart in two areas, one near the brush roll and one near the canister. This is really helpful, so you can use this crevice tool attachment and also this smaller brush, which is really good for corners and tight spaces. The canister comes off with one hand, and it's pretty easy to empty it out. Overall, I really like this Bissell vacuum. It's the best vacuum I've ever owned, so I would recommend checking it out.